Hey Tucker, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at the website, got a really nice header, got your nice logo as well as a good click to call for those quick conversions. So that's awesome. And then of course the header with all the different flooring that you do. Now this is just how long you've been in business, which is a whopping almost about 77 years, which is amazing. And then, of course, all the different services that you do and the hardwood services that you work with. Now, then you hit the bottom of your website. So there's not a terrible, the design of your website is great. I don't see as much content as there should be. So I see around 300 words. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word that customers would put in to find your specific services. So let's take a look behind the scenes of your website and see what's going on. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. So when we put in your website, out pops your rankings. So the two main things are your UR rating, which is the strength of your website, and the DR rating, which is Google's trust in your website. Normally we want these around or between 30 to 40. Now, 16 isn't that bad. 0.5, yeah, not that hot. Now, the way you get these up are with your backlinks. So, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful link because it's super spammy. But a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your services. Now, another super important thing are those organic keywords, as I was saying before, those buyer intent words. So you have 116 of them. Let's see what your buyer intent words, you're ranking for. So just looking at your first one, and your top one is Birmingham floors, which is you. So no doubt you're going to rank for your own name. So these don't really count because these aren't buyer intent. These are people looking for you. The first real buyer intent is Hardwood Flooring Charlotte, which, as you can see, has a 400 search volume. However, you're at the bottom of the second page, maybe the top of the third page in the 20th position, usually top of the third. So you're not really getting any traffic. As you can see, you're only getting one person from that great keyword of 400 searches. Same thing with Hardwood Flooring Charlotte. You might be at the bottom of the second page, but because of that, you're only getting one search. So I know you're already starting to rank up for those, which is awesome. Not sure if you just made some changes or the website was new, so you're starting to rank for those keywords, but that is great. Unfortunately, still not enough as of yet. So let's take a look at what one of those keywords are. So Hardwood Flooring Charlotte, as you saw, it had 400 search volume. First thing that pops up are those ads. So those are the people that are paying to be front and center to get those people that are just click on the first thing they see. That certainly helps. Now, the second thing you're going to see is the GMV, the Google Map Pack. These are super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick someone right from one of these four. Now, this guy's an ad, but since they're in the top, so they're going to get picked just as much. Then you have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So your first competitor is Carolina Wood Flooring. So let's check out how they're doing. So just taking a look at their website, Carolina Wood Flooring, they have a nice header. They have their good logo. They don't have a click to call either, which is unfortunate because that would help them, especially that they get the most traffic through their site. Then they have their search bar. They have the different flooring that they work with, how easy it is to work with them, their clearance, which they have a warehouse for it, and then of course the website ends. So they don't have a giant website either. They don't have the content that Google is looking for. But let's check behind the scenes and see why they're doing so well. So putting them in, as you can see, their UR rating, their strength is 26, which is really good. Their DR rating, not that hot, at a 0.7. But as you can see, what they're doing really well is they have 1,500 plus backlinks, which that is definitely helping them out, as well as they're ranking for 3,000 keywords. That's how many Google is showing that they're ranking for. So let's check out what their keywords are and how their keywords, what position they're in. So Hardwood Flooring Charlotte, they're in the second position. So as you can see, because of that, as you saw, they were in the first organic actual search. They're getting 70 traffic just from that one word through their site. Carolina Wood Flooring. That's them. That doesn't count. That's people either searching for the entire thing or just the style flooring. So that really doesn't help them at all. And it's also their name. Hardwood Floor Charlotte, 350. They're in the first real position. They're getting 53 people from that, which is awesome. As you can see, they're getting a lot of traffic from being at the top for their keywords. So if we're looking to beat them out, first thing, you need more backlinks. So they have 1,500. You need to beat them out by at least 300. So good thing is you already have 774, and you can always take their backlinks. You know theirs works because they're ranking really high for them. So you can always take their good backlinks, add them to yours, and start beating them out that way for backlinks, as well as you got to get that content. 1,500 to 2,000 words, you already have a beautifully set up website. It's just adding some more slots, breaking it up a little bit, adding more words so that you can organically put those keywords in so you can start ranking for the keywords that are most important in your area. And now, Tucker, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, I'm always looking to improve. You have a blessed rest of your day.